In the veterinary world, speed and accuracy can make a significant difference in the diagnosis and treatment of animals. That's why the YR06175 veterinary urine analyzer has become an essential tool for modern veterinary clinics and laboratories. Designed to deliver fast and reliable results, this device analyzes multiple urine parameters, including leukocytes, glucose, protein, ketones, bilirubin, occult blood, and many other important indicators for assessing the health status of pets and other clinical animals. Thanks to its processing capacity, the YR06175 can process up to 60 samples per hour in standard mode and up to 120 samples per hour in fast mode, making it an ideal solution for high-volume work environments where efficiency is paramount. Its 5-inch LCD screen offers clear and convenient viewing of results, while its compact and lightweight design facilitates easy installation and portability within the laboratory. Furthermore, it incorporates a high-brightness cold light source that enhances the accuracy of the analysis. The device also features automatic data storage and memory for up to 4,000 results, allowing for an organized and secure record of analyzed samples. For added convenience, it includes a built-in thermal printer and easy PC connectivity for more efficient data management. Designed for ease of maintenance and continuous use, the YR06175 veterinary urine analyzer represents technology, speed, and reliability in modern veterinary diagnostics.